Hello friends, welcome to my official YouTube channel, Auto Technical Complex. In today's video, you will be explained in a complete way how to change the engine oil of a car. Note: changing your car's engine oil is an important part of regular maintenance. Here's a step-by-step guide. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get updates about every new video coming. So let's start the video. Tools and materials you'll need. Number 1. New engine oil. Check your car's manual for the right type and quantity. Number 2. Oil filter. Number 3. Oil filter wrench. Number 4. Wrench, socket set. Number 5. Oil drain pan. Number 6. Funnel. Number 7. Car jack and jack stands. Number 8. Rubber gloves. Number 9. Rags or paper towels. Step-by-step guide. Number 1. Safety first. Ensure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Use safety glasses and gloves. Number 2. Gather supplies. Ensure you have all the necessary tools and materials. Number 3. Lift the car. Use a car jack to lift the front of your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Make sure it's stable and secure. Number 4. Locate the oil drain plug under the engine. You'll find the oil pan with the drain plug. Place your oil drain pan beneath it. Number 5. Loosen the drain plug using a wrench. Carefully loosen the drain plug, but don't remove it entirely. Number 6. Drain the oil. Once it's loosened, remove the plug slowly, sowing the old oil to drain into the pan. Be cautious as the oil may be hot. Number 7. Remove the oil filter. Locate the oil filter, usually near the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Allow any remaining oil to drain. Number 8. Prepare the new filter. Before installing the new oil filter, lubricate its rubber gasket with a bit of fresh oil. Number 9. Install the new oil filter. Screw the new oil filter in by hand until it's snug. Then give it a quarter turn more with the filter wrench. Number 10. Replace the drain plug. After the old oil has fully drained, clean the drain plug and theory around it. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Number 11. Add new oil. Using a funnel, pour the new oil into the engine through the oil filler cap. Check your car's manual for the correct oil capacity. Number 12. Check the oil level. Start the engine and let it run for a minute. Then turn it off and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary. Number 13. Dispose of old oil. Properly dispose of the old oil. An oil filter at a recycling center or auto parts store. Number 14. Lower the car. Carefully remove the jack stands and lower your car to the ground. Number 15. Check for leaks. Start the engine and check for any oil leaks. Tighten the oil filter or drain plug if needed. That's it. You've successfully changed your car's engine oil. Remember to follow your car's maintenance schedule and consult your owner's manual for specific instructions and oil type recommendations. This was our video. If you liked the video, please like, share and comment the video.